What do Elon Musk and Michael Jordan have in common? One dominated the basketball court, the other reshaped entire industries. If their success wasn't about talent or luck, it came down to three critical mindset shifts that separate high performers from everyone else. And if you're in sales, business, or leadership, I promise you these mindset shifts will determine whether you stay stuck or start scaling faster than you thought possible. Let's break them down. And if you're ready to think and operate like the best in the world, stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'll tell you exactly how you can apply these shifts in your business starting today. Let's start with Michael Jordan, because everybody talks about his talent, but what made Michael Jordan the greatest of all time wasn't talent, it was his obsession. He relentlessly pursued growth even when he was already the best. He'd find weaknesses in his game and attack them until they became his strengths. Cut from his high school team, trained harder. Couldn't shoot when he entered the NBA, mastered the jumper. Struggled against physical defenders, built himself into an elite athlete. And here's the lesson. Most people in sales and business plateau because they stop growing. They think, I've got experience. I don't need to refine my skills. I'm already closing deals. Why change anything? But top performers, they never stop improving. Ask yourself, are you actively working to get better every day? Or are you just relying on what you already know? If you're serious about scaling your business or sales career, you need structured growth, focused, intentional, relentless improvement. That's exactly what we help our clients do, because if you're not evolving, you're already falling behind. And if you're ready to stop playing small and start dominating in your field, let's talk. Book a discovery call today. The link's in the description. All right, now let's talk about Elon, because this next mindset shift is non-negotiable if you want to win in business. Elon Musk bet everything on his vision. At one point, he was down to his last few $1 million trying to keep Tesla and SpaceX alive. Instead of playing it safe, he went all in. And guess what? The risk paid off. He didn't just build companies, he rewrote entire industries. Now, I'm not telling you you need to like the guy or you need to gamble your savings on a crazy idea, but here's what you do need: the ability to take calculated risks and the courage to bet on yourself when no one else will. Most people in business and sales, they stay comfortable. They never invest in their own growth. They never refine their approach. They never take bold action. So they stay stuck playing small. Look, if you want to break through, you have to start playing a bigger game. What's a high reward move you've been afraid to make? Raising your prices, going after bigger deals, changing your sales strategy. Because if you're not taking risks, you're already losing. This is exactly why we work with high-level professionals, because you don't win big by staying in your comfort zone. If you're serious about growing your business, upgrading your sales game, and leveling up your mindset, let's talk. All right, let's get into the final mindset shift. This separates the good from the great. Here's something that you need to understand. Michael Jordan and Elon Musk weren't thinking about quick wins. Jordan didn't focus just one season. He focused on building a legacy. Musk didn't launch Tesla for short-term profits. He built a global empire. Success in sales and business is about playing the long game. Most people, they chase short-term wins, and that's why they get stuck. They want fast cash instead of real business growth. They avoid learning new skills because they're impatient. They look for shortcuts instead of mastering fundamentals. You want to dominate? Commit to the long game. This means investing in your skills before you need them, building systems at scale, making moves that pay off for years, not just today. High performers don't just think ahead, they act ahead. So what are you doing today that's setting you up for huge wins next year? Because I'm telling you this, if you start applying these three shifts today, you'll be shocked at how fast things start changing. So here's my challenge to you. Which one of these mindset shifts do you need to work on the most? Are you holding back from serious growth, playing too small and avoiding calculated risk, thinking too small instead of building for long-term domination? Top performers, they take action. They invest in themselves. They make moves before they're ready. So here's what I want you to do. If you're serious about stepping up your game in sales, business, or leadership, book a discovery call with me today. This is for high performers only. If you're committed to growth and ready to level up, let's talk. The link is below. Let's build your game plan for success. Hey, and if for whatever reason coaching isn't for you right now, that's totally okay. I got this free PDF for you to be able to dive in and start learning today. And if you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping more high-level mindset strategies every single week. I'll see you in the next one.